Okay guys, a little update on the plow. First thing you're going to notice is the Western decal is gone from the plow. It must have come off at some point. The snow must have ripped it off. So I guess that plastic is really non-stick like they say. When I stuck it on there, it felt like it was sticking pretty good, so I thought it was going to stay on there, but apparently not. So that is gone. We've only had a few small storms, but everything's doing okay, I guess. You can see that the cutting edge has already got some wear and some rust on it. And then these side pieces. Got a little bit of a rounded edge on there, but not real bad. This one here, I don't know. This one's kind of got a rounded edge here. I don't know what Dad was hitting, if he was hitting crusty snow and that was taking the brunt of it or what, but it's looking good still. I see some scratches in that plastic, but that's what's gonna happen. I did get some new markers on here, right here. I haven't gotten any on the wings. I'm trying to find some. You know, you need some longer ones on the edge because the bolts on down here. So you really need like a 3-footer at least. And I'm trying to find a real durable one because we've been breaking those off since I put those wings on there and I put markers on there. We've been breaking them off. So I'd like to find something. I'd like to find something like these. These are like a wire and a plastic, and those like last forever. And I'd like to get just longer ones like that. It seems like it's hard to find something like that. Top flap is still there. Nothing really going on here, except for I do see a little bit of these fuzzies coming back. I took a grinder and I actually ground them off because they were on there before, and for some reason they're back. I don't know if that's because Dad was dragging it on the ground when it tripped or whatever, but flap is working fine though. Really helps when you go into the pile and stuff like that. It keeps it from falling over top of the blade. Probably gonna get a top flap for my V-plow, so we'll get that on mine eventually. I did get a few new parts for it. Got these new shoes for it. I've said it before, we do a lot of off-road plowing, so the shoes really help. We do a sandy area, and the shoes kind of really help when you're off-road with these plows. So I did get a set of new shoes. There is a problem though. If you look back here, you probably can't see it, but the holes where the shoes go, that thing is wallered out. I mean, it's egg-shaped, and if I stuck one in there, I mean, it flops all over the place. So I gotta fix that before I put the new shoes on, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna fix the problem with the oval shaped hole. See, this slides on there pretty tight. It's not super tight, but you don't want this super tight, because if you got to adjust these shoes, they need to slide out and you need to be able to adjust them. And you don't want a super tight fit. This little bit of movement that this has in here, that's perfect for what this needs. So I'm going to take this tubing right here, and I'm going to weld that onto my original bracket. I'll show you here. Okay, so just to give you an idea how bad this is, I'll install one of these. And you can see it flops pretty much everywhere. So I'm going to take this piece that I just made, I'm going to put this in here. didn't need to be that snug of a fit. I think that's going to work out awesome. Just like that. This is probably going to be a one-time fix. Never probably have to cut these off to fix it again, but I think there'll be more surface area, so I don't think it'll wear quite as bad. So I got to get the welder out. And I'm going to weld this in. Okay, so a little welding, a little grinding. There was actually a crack right there happening, so I hit that while I had the welder out. Got my... You always want a washer on top to kind of lock it in place really good. There we go. I mean, it's got a little bit of movement, but I'm guessing that's what they had from the factory. So now I got to go to the other side and get that one finished up. So there we go. Got the shoes repaired in there. Got a pretty good weld on there. I did the top side too. So this shouldn't go anywhere. Probably gonna throw some primer on this just so it don't rust so bad. Probably gonna get some more of that Rust-Oleum industrial paint. Probably some more of the stuff I used on the pump there. Seems to be closer to the Western red of the shield on the front. So probably gonna, like I said, I'm gonna prime that, and then I'm gonna probably recoat the back of this. I might, because the plow come out so nice, I might spend a little time cleaning it up back here, cleaning up the red. The black seems really nice on here, but the red's kind of a little cruddy. But anyway, guys, I guess that's gonna do it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. You got kind of a bonus shoe repair here. I'll see you guys.